Traders, Zelman here, September 25th, 2018. It's after the market close. I'm going to report on ticker symbol HEME. Health Med Services providing another update. We're in this trading range. And, you can see her battling within this range. We're just waiting for it to pop over this downtrend right here. That will turn into support, and I believe she'll explode and form new all-time high after this level right here, 0.0118. We'll see what she does. Still looks good. You see buyers stepping in. I mean, it's this tug-of-war battle right here, and obviously there's a big seller at the ask, but it seems like that seller had not scared any buyers. So the MAC histogram looks like it's heading positive territory, regardless that this negative bar closed up higher here. And then even though it keeps constantly gapping lower, it closes up higher for the day. I just, hope eventually she breaks through, but it could just be some choppy trading until she goes upright. Now, marijuana stocks in general have been stagnating. However, Health Med been trading in her trading range. So for us, she has not been trading lower than this downtrend line, this trend line right here. But if we look at some stocks, I'm just going to look at a handful, and I'm just going to show you hemp real quick. You see how she gapped down today. Negative, but at support levels. Negative for the day at support levels, but huge volume, and this could be doji, and this could be the bottom of hemp. You could look at MJNA, same thing, opened up higher, but ended up negative for the day, just slightly. I think it was about 1% or so, or a little less, but slightly. But even after that gap up, so it's showing some type of support here. You see the MAC histogram trying to get to positive territory, gapped up even though it's down, still above this huge support area. Now let's take a look at let's do vape. See what vape looks like. Vape, you see it's showing support also. At one point, he could even been a head and shoulders right here at one point, but it seems like it's trying to bottom out over here and show support around this area. We have to see if she can break over 3, and if she does and closes, let's say 0.003233, this reversal this head and shoulders has been broken, and it'll be a bottom, and it shows a couple of bottoms over there. So everything looks like it's pretty much bottoming out at its lows and trying to pick up. Let's take a look at USMJ. I'm just doing a couple of marijuana stocks in general, and same thing. You see how it's right at support levels, looks like it's bottoming out. So this could be the marijuana's bottom before she explodes from 2018 into 2019. I would look at a couple of others. I'm just very tight on time, and I still got to post this and do a bunch of other things. But I really like marijuana stocks in general. It's a new industry. I believe it's going to boom, and I believe you need to diversify. Like some of the stocks I showed you, I'm not in all of them. I have positions in some of them, and obviously Health Med is one of them. However, I think you need to diversify your portfolio in this arena, just because some can outperform others, and there are competitors, right? So you want to make sure, let's say you get in 5 different marijuana stocks, penny stocks. Just diversify. Split them equally amount of the total amount you have to get into the marijuana industry in your portfolio. For example, if you have $10,000, buy $2,000 worth of each, right? And split them up appropriately, and see, when this does happen and this boom does happen, out of 5 of them, maybe 1 or 2 will become like the next Philip Morris, and hopefully that would do something spectacular, maybe even change your life. Just remember not to put all your eggs in one basket or put everything you have in the market. You only put in the market where you can afford to lose, knowing tomorrow you still can pay your bills. Okay? It's very important you guys understand this. because last thing you want to do is, God forbid, something goes south and it hurts you. You know, you're struggling very, very hard. Put in what you can handle, nothing more. Once again, my name is Zelman. You can follow me on Twitter @TradingTeacher. Visit my site for upcoming live trading courses, thetradingteacher.com.